How to add link in WordPress text widget. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to add link in your WordPress text widget. Let's say I want to add my text here in the footer. So first of all, I'll go to my WordPress dashboard and then I'll bring my cursor to appearance in the sidebar. Then I'll click on widgets. Once I click on widgets, then I'll go to footer 1 and here I'll click on add block. Okay, so my text section is here. Now I'll add a title. I'll type this is my link, and here I'll click on this insert edit link and I'll paste my URL here. So I just copied the YouTube link and I'll paste it here and then I'll click enter. So my link is added. Then I'll click on update. Let's save it. Okay, so the widget is saved. Now I'll go to my website and I'll refresh it from here. Now let's scroll down. As you can see, my link is added here. This is how you can add link in your WordPress text widget. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.